I am very fortunate that I get phone calls still. And I always did get calls. And I did some nice records with people. I grew up as part of the sound of Philadelphia and learned how to write from the older gentlemen that were involved in the arranging of the sound of Philadelphia. And in a way, they taught me, and I learned myself, and then I learned about gospel music. I learned about a lot of different things that weren't part of my vocabulary at that time, but became part of my vocabulary. And I work for everybody. I mean, over the course of my 40 years, I've worked for an awful lot of different people. I mean, hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of artists. I've been lucky, you know. I try to do a good job. I spend a lot of time doing it. I'm here today working for someone, and I worked on one song for 4 hours, and I'm nowhere near finished, you know. So I'll come back tomorrow and work on it.
Hey everyone, if you're enjoying Music Mondays at the Lab, go ahead and smash that like button, share it, and hit subscribe so you never miss a beat.